Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Playing a sound in a Python program can be useful for various applications, such as games, notifications, or audio feedback. In this tutorial, we will explore how to play a sound using Python. We will use the pygame library, which is a popular library for game development but can also be used for simple sound playback. Before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites installed. Python. You'll need Python installed on your system. You can download it from python.org and follow the installation instructions. Pygame. We'll use the pygame library to play sounds. You can install it using pip. Now, let's write some Python code to play a sound. In this example, we will play a simple sound file when the program runs. Here's a breakdown of what the code does. Replace your _sound_file.wav with the path to your own sound file. Ensure that the sound file is in the same directory as your Python script or provide the full path to the file. We also add a delay of 5 seconds, 5000 milliseconds, using pygame.time.delay, 5000, to allow the sound to play before the program exits. You can adjust the delay time as needed. To run the program, save it to a Python file, example play_sound.py, and place your sound file, example your_sound_file.wav, in the same directory. Then, open a terminal and navigate to the directory containing your Python script. Run the script using the following command. You should hear the sound play for the specified duration. That's it. You've successfully played a sound using Python. You can integrate this code into your projects to add sound effects, notifications, or any other audio feedback you need. ChatGPT.